Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce lag and the best settings for fish in Roblox. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up fish settings, here menu. Here you want to go ahead and turn off enable catch flags. Then performance mode, you want to go ahead and turn that on. And now some other settings, you can go ahead and enable them or disable them. It's really a reference thing. So you can go ahead now to the settings of Roblox. So click on here, then you're gonna go to settings, and on settings you can choose the maximum frame rate. You're gonna choose default. And now on graphics quality, you want to choose manually, and you want to try out the lowest quality. Working better and reduces the lag or not. And also you want to find volume. So once you will find volume, you want to set it up to 0. Now some other settings would be on your PC. So on PC, you want to open up your task manager. On task manager, you want to go to details, and here you want to find Roblox. So if you are, of course, opened it up, you will see this player beta here, and you want to set priority to high. So after doing this, basically your PC will prioritize basically Roblox and not some other applications. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.